Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is in detention at DSS facility in Abuja, Nigeria, who has rejected the request for resumption of trial by the federal government of Nigeria. That's what we're going to talk about now. And we'll situate it in with recent development about Simon Ekpa, who Nigerian government is requesting for his extradition to Nigeria for trial. Thank you and welcome on board. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has rejected federal government request for trial resumption, insisting that the judge must be changed. The judge trying the case must be changed. And the federal government of Nigeria is insisting that the judge will not be changed. And you now see the reason why nobody, no reasonable country will extradite anybody to Nigeria for trial. This is because Nigeria has not shown that it's a country that protects the interest of the person on trial. Don't forget that we have a principle of innocent before the law, or innocent until proven guilty. But Nigeria portrays itself as a country where you are guilty until you prove your innocence. But that's not the legal practice we have in Nigeria. That's not the practice we have in Nigeria. It is you are innocent until proven guilty. And that is the standard in most Western democracies. That was why I laugh when people talk about that Nigerian government wants Simon Ekpa to be extradited to Nigeria for trial, because I know that all Simon Ekpa need to do is just to give an example of what they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu. And no Western power will extradite anybody to Nigeria. And of course, we know that even Kanu himself, while he was in UK, Nigeria know that they can, United Kingdom government can never extradite Nnamdi Kanu to them, before they now rendition him against international law from Kenya to Nigeria. That's because they know that they are not doing the right thing. Now, what is the issue at stake now that Nnamdi Kanu is talking about? Is talking that the judge must recuse herself because the judge is a woman. Now, it was Aloy Ejimakor, who is the counsel of Nnamdi Kanu, who said that, look, before this trial can resume, Justice Binta Nyako must recuse herself from the trial, because Nnamdi Kanu has expressed that he has lost confidence in her capacity to try the case. In other words, saying that he doesn't trust that she's not partial. So when you don't have confidence in a judge and you say that that judge is not going to be fair to you, common sense dictates that in obedience to the rule of law, that you find another judge who the accused can have confidence in, okay, and assign that case to. And in September 24, 2024, Binta Nyako, following Nnamdi Kanu's insistence that he has lost confidence in her, recused herself And the woman sent the case file back to the Chief Judge of the High Court and recused herself. Fine and good. Only for some few months later, for the same Chief Judge to return the same case back to Nyako to proceed with it. So how do you expect Nnamdi Kanu to still want to go back to that kind of trial? He told you that he has lost confidence in that woman, that he will not get fair hearing. And the woman, understanding this situation, returned the case file to the Chief Judge, only for the Chief Judge to now return it back to her again, to go ahead with the case. In other words, Nnamdi Kanu will feel that his own interest is not being protected by the justice system in Nigeria. And he reserves the right to resist. So even if they sentence him, even if the Nyako, at the end of the day, they force their way and they sentence him or he gave any verdict that is against Nnamdi Kanu, do you think that in the eyes of the world that Nnamdi Kanu had gotten fair hearing? That is the thing that they don't think about as they go about carrying out their duties as people in charge of the justice system in Nigeria. People will look at this from outside and they will be right to conclude that you can't get justice in Nigeria. And when Simon Ekpa presents this kind of matter before the judge in Finland and make reference to what they are doing, the way they are handling Nnamdi Kanu's matter, why would any sane judge in Finland or anywhere extradite a Nigerian to come and stand trial in Nigeria, knowing that what is happening to Nnamdi Kanu could happen to any of them? And nobody, no sane democratic country would do that. Because even the Nnamdi Kanu matter we're talking about, since 2022, the United Nations Human Rights Council, having examined the case of Nnamdi Kanu and his illegal renditioning from Kenya to Nigeria, which the United Nations Human Rights Council acknowledged was a violation of international law, demanded for his release. He has not been released. Instead, he's been tried. When he is set free in one aspect, before you know it, they will bring in more charges. In other words, it is not about the justice. It is to make sure that the man is kept there in detention. Because if you know that somebody committed an offense, you should be able to file all the charges. But after you file 2 charges, 5 charges, when he has overcome those 5 charges, the man will think that he's going to be free. Before he stepped out of the court, they will bring in more new charges. So what kind of system is that? It means it's a system that has no respect for rule of law. And if really we believe in rule of law, they should listen to the lawyer or the counsel of Nnamdi Kanu and recuse Binta Nyako from that case and assign it to another judge. I believe that Binta Nyako is not the only judge in the Nigerian justice system that can handle this case. But federal government is insisting that she continue with the case. For what purpose? When the defendant say he has lost confidence that he will get justice under her supervision. What do you think about this Nnamdi Kanu's problem, his insistence that Murtala Nyako, Binta Nyako must recuse herself from the case because he has lost confidence in her. And why do you think that government is insisting that the woman will continue with the case? What's your view on this? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.